Hey, welcome everybody. Brian from T-sportline here to introduce our new Cybertruck bed and tailgate precision fit carpet set. This is a set of carpet that we've made specifically to fit the tailgate of the Cybertruck, both the bed and the tailgate. The carpet is made from automotive grade premium carpet. It's water resistant, so you might be thinking, hey, if we get a little water in here, what happens to the carpet? It's not going to be a problem. It's just like a floor mat or the carpet in the bed of the truck. If it's raining and you get in there with wet shoes, or it's snowing and your boots are in there and a bunch of snow drops in there and melts, no problem. Same thing back here. You can get it wet, it can leak through the tonneau, it's not going to be a problem. You can always take the carpet set out and just hose it off and dry it out in the sun and you're good to go. So whether you're camping, tailgating, hanging out in the bed, maybe your pets are back here running around, your kids are playing in there, doesn't matter. It makes the bed that much better. So we've got this available now, ready for you to use however you like in your Cybertruck. All right, everybody, if you like this video, make sure you click the thumbs up below, subscribe to our channel, and follow along because we've got a lot of Cybertruck goods coming your way.